Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have ASUS watermark option. By using this button we can turn it on and turn it off like that as we need. We have also extra watermark with timestamp, so we can add the date and time watermark to our picture. Also by using this button we can turn it on and off. Now let me keep turn it on the both of these watermarks. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to this button. By tapping on it we get quick access to the gallery. This is our picture and the watermarks appear here at the bottom, so let's get closer to it. From the left we have the ASUS Watermark Republic of Gamers, so the device one, and from the right we have the timestamp, and of course when we don't need them we can go back to the camera, then to the left corner and use these buttons to turn them off as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.